Chapter 8. The Planets, What Each One Does, the Cast of Characters in Your Chart. If your birth chart is a play, then the planets are the actors. Each one has a job, a vibe, and a way it moves through your life. Let's meet the cast one by one. Sun, the star of the show. Role, your core energy, personality, identity. Feels like your soul, your main character vibe. Stays in one sign for one month. Ask yourself, what lights me up? The sun shows who you are becoming. Moon, the feelings behind the scenes. Role, your emotions, instincts, private self. Feels like your inner world and how you feel safe. Changes signs every 2.5 days. Ask yourself, what do I need to feel okay? The moon shows how you feel and react. Mercury, the messenger. Role, thinking, speaking, learning, texting. Feels like your voice, your brain, your curiosity moves fast. Changes signs every 2 to 3 weeks. Ask yourself, how do I think and communicate? Mercury shows how your mind works. Venus, the lover. Role, love, beauty, attraction, art, values. Feels like your style in love, friendship, money. Ask yourself, what do I love and value? Venus shows how you give and receive love. Mars, the fighter. Role, energy, drive, sex, anger, action. Feels like your engine and how you go after what you want. Ask yourself, what gets me fired up? Mars shows how you take action and handle conflict. Jupiter, the explorer. Role, luck, growth, faith, travel, learning. Feels like expansion, excitement, big dreams. Ask yourself, where do I grow the most? Jupiter shows where you're lucky and wise. Saturn, the teacher. Role, discipline, rules, fears, maturity. Feels like work, boundaries, responsibility. Ask yourself, what am I here to master? Saturn shows where you're being shaped and tested. Uranus, the rebel. Role, change, freedom, surprise, electricity. Feels like shocks, shake-ups, breakthroughs. Ask yourself, where am I different? Uranus shows where you break the rules. Neptune, the dreamer. Role, imagination, spirituality, illusion. Feels like magic, confusion, intuition. Ask yourself, where do I dream or get lost? Neptune shows where you're idealistic or unclear. Pluto, the transformer. Role, power, control, deep change, healing. Feels like intensity, endings, rebirth. Ask yourself, where am I meant to transform? Pluto shows where you're meant to rise from the ashes. Bonus planets. Some systems also include North Node, your destiny path. South Node, your comfort zone, past life energy. Chiron, your deepest wound and healing gift. Lilith, your shadow self or hidden power. We'll keep it simple here. Focus on the main 10 first. Cheat code. Planet 1. Word. Sun identity. Moon. Emotion. Mercury. Mind. Venus. Love. Mars. Action. Jupiter. Growth. Saturn. Discipline. Uranus. Change. Neptune. Imagination. Pluto. Power. Did you know? The sun, moon, and rising are your big 3, but the other planets fill in the details, kind of like dressing your soul in clothes, habits, and challenges.